In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into how you can give ChatGPT internet access using WebPilot GPT. This will empower your ChatGPT to browse the web, making it an even more powerful tool. So, let's get started. Firstly, navigate to your Explore GPT's platform, right here. And then proceed to the Search GPT's bar and type until the WebPilot GPT result is shown. However, if you ever come across identical search results for WebPilot GPT, I highly recommend using it from Community Builder, or even from GPT Builder's AI. Click on your preferred option. For instance, I'm going to be using this one right here from Community Builder. There we go. Then click Start Chat to get started. Now that we're all set up, let's put WebPilot GPT to the test. As you can see, WebPilot GPT is giving you the option to select which language you'd prefer to use. Let's use English. Then, as you select, WebPilot has given you here the brief guide on the features it has. Here we go. Now, we'll start by looking up some current events. Here's how you can use it to stay informed on the latest news. For instance, my prompt here would be, can you update me on the latest developments in international politics? There we go. Now let's hit send and see what WebPilot GPT from ChatGPT would do. As you can see right here, WebPilot is giving you the option here, and it says WebPilot wants to talk to GPT as webpilot.ai. Just remember, when this pops up, just click allow or always allow. So let's click allow. As you can see, here we go. It's currently processing. This might take a while. Here we go. So, as you can see, WebPilot GPT doesn't just bring you news. It dives deep, providing detailed analysis and diverse viewpoints, enriching your understanding of global events right here. Here we go. So this is what ChatGPT had generated here. Yeah, there we go. But let's not stop at politics. Economics play a huge role in our daily decisions. If you're a student or a professional, having the latest data is crucial. So here's an example of the prompt that I'll be using right here. What are the latest trends in the housing market in Europe? There we go. Hit send once again. Here we go. Here's the pop-up again. If you want to click allow, just click allow. If you don't want this to pop up again, just click always allow. And just click right here. So as you can see right here, there you go. Up to the minute market trends that can inform investors, home buyers, or curious minds alike. This type of information is invaluable for making informed decisions. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Let's shift gears and think about health and fitness. Suppose you're looking to start a new workout regimen, but need some guidance. Here's how you might use WebPilot GPT. So, my prompt here that I put together would be, what are some effective beginner workouts for home? Then let's hit enter and see how ChatGPT would do. There we go, just like that. Here you have a selection of workouts tailored to beginners. right at your fingertips. There we go. It's like having a personal trainer in your digital device. As you can see, there are a lot of workouts right here, from core exercise. There are tips for effective home workouts, and here we go. Education is another key area where ChatGPT can make a significant impact. Let's say you're helping your child with their science project. So here's how you might find some help using WebPilot GPT. For instance, I'll put here what are some easy and fun science experiments for kids? Here's my prompt right here. So let's hit enter and see what ChatGPT will generate for me. And there you have it. As it's currently processing, there are the materials needed, there are the instructions, the explanation itself, with each recommended experiments from ChatGPT, mainly WebPilot GPT. So here we go. Fun educational activities you can do at home. WebPilot GPT is not just a tool for information. It's a learning enhancer for all ages. And that's about it. That's it for today's guide on enabling internet access for ChatGPT using WebPilot GPT. Have a good day, everyone.